Hello everyone, welcome to the another very important session in which we are going to discuss about some of the habits you have to develop when you are going to start your preparation for the upcoming CSR net exam or the gate exam, and you are already doing the preparation. Even in that case, you need to follow these things, and that will be helping you a lot to take your preparation to another level. And you will even be able to see the difference in your preparation by following the things we are going to talk about today in this session. And if somebody is there who is missing these points, who is not working on these points and not including them in their preparation, they may face difficulties at the end of their preparation or after just few days. So to avoid having such kind of issues, and to for like that leads to not having a better command on the concepts. So I want to tell you what can help you a lot to have a better command on the concepts and even to be more confident. Okay, so that's what we are going to talk about today in this session. If I'm going to talk about the first thing here, that's going to be you have to make your formula notebook or a concept notebook. So start making your formula notebook or the concept notebook whenever you are starting your preparation. Even from the first day of your preparation, you should try to make your formula notebook or short notes notebook, whatever name you want to give it, okay? Or if you are having any amazing name like you want to give it, you can even give this notebook a particular name. So I'm just going to write few suggestions here, and after that, like, we will be going for the next point. So this notebook you have to start making from the first day of your preparation. Okay, formula notebook or short notes notebook or concept notebook or tricks notebook, okay, whatever you want to call it. Now what you have to do, whatever subjects you are going to prepare for your exam, while my suggestion will be how many subjects are there, try to prepare all of them. And then in this case, you will have to make the partitions in your notebook for all these subjects, right? So basically it's not going to be just one subject notebook, but it will be all subjects notebook together. Okay, in this case, if we are gonna talk about the next thing, just give me a second, guys. So you have to, for example, in physical science we are going to have 9 subjects, so we are going to consider 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 6 7 8 9. So let's say I am devoting 30 to 40 pages for one subject, so you need a thick register, means having enough number of pages in it. And for example, my first section is mathematical physics, my second section is classical mechanics, then quantum mechanics, then any sequence wise you can just keep on writing there, right? And I want you to have all the 9 subjects in your one notebook so that you will not have to keep on searching for different concepts, different subject preparations you have done here and there in separate notebooks. So this will be making your process of doing preparation quite simple and easy. Other than that, if I'm going to talk about the 10th number I have mentioned here, while I was saying like we are going to have total 9 subjects, then why I have mentioned the 10th one? So it's going to be for the aptitude section, general reasoning section, and the general science section. Other than that, even you can either take 3 4 5 pages in the starting of this notebook or at the end to write down some tricks, some basic mathematics formulae, whichever you have to use quite regularly while doing the calculation. So it will be helping you a lot as well. Okay, guys. Now, next thing is that along with this formula notebook and the concept notebook, which you will be keep on making, I would like you to make a practice notebook. And in that practice notebook, you will not be writing all the questions you will be doing, but only the questions you're going to find difficult, you made mistakes while working on them. Write down the points you think were new to you, or you were making the mistakes on them. You can even mention some answer steps points there in your practice notebook. After writing the question statement, write the steps how you will be writing the answer for it. Okay, so that's how you can just make your practice notebook as well. Now, once you have done that, you should have a rough notebook with you. Okay, rough notebook doesn't mean it's a rough notebook, but it means where you will keep on doing the practice regularly. You can do the questions, any questions you want to do. Okay, that's your a kind of other practice notebook. Other than that, you have to do the regular revision of your practice notebook in terms of what mistakes you were making, where you need to improve, and all that part. And you have to do the revision of your formula notebook, right? So, for regular revision is the key to success for your exam. If somebody is gonna miss it, they are gonna miss a lot, right? So these are the things you have to follow, and which will be helping you a lot to take your preparation to the next level. So I hope, guys, the suggestions I have provided you here will be surely helping you, and is something you will see a great difference in your preparation once you start follow these things. So guys, get ready to involve these things in your preparation journey and see a great difference. Along with all this discussion, I would quickly like to show you some important slides. Like this one is related to Unacademy subscription related offer, which will be helping you a lot to save more and to get great discount in the total Unacademy subscription amount. This offer is a limited period offer, means you will just be able to grab it till 30th June, and you have to use and apply the code Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen to grab this offer. Also, guys, if you don't want to miss it, you can take your subscription today. And even if your friends want to take the subscription, let them know about it, because after taking the subscription, they will be able to start their preparation under the guidance of top educators with important courses and the classes by the top educators. And they also have to just use the code that is Anjali A Live to grab this offer and to get the discount in the total subscription amount. So you can share it with them too. Another thing is, what are the benefits you will get if you will take the plus, iconic, or the light subscription. So all that has been shown here. If you will take the plus or the iconic subscription, you will also be able to check out the important notes on the Unacademy learning app, and this is how everything will be helping you a lot to take your preparation to the next level. And even in upcoming days, so many new courses by the top educators will also be starting on Unacademy. So if you don't want to miss them, you can take your subscription today and start your preparation under the guidance of top educators. Thank you, everyone. And yeah, don't miss these points.